Hey you! Today we're making a bento inspired by a really cozy Minecraft channel, Frogcrafting. The salad I made with a few items that reminded me of the colors of her avatar: lettuce, radish, cucumber, and a little parsley at the end. Some of you may know, one of my great loves is Minecraft, specifically cottage-y Minecraft. If you do happen to enjoy cozy and wholesome Minecraft content, you will love this channel. The color palette that stands out to me most is the one used in the 1.18 Let's Play, which used a lot of wood and honey variant blocks, so I chose gyudon eggs and the crustless apple pie from the last video. Also, beef, egg, and apples are all items you can cook with and eat in-game. I'll show you a neat trick for if you don't have the right size or shape of cup. Scrunch up some wax paper, even better if it's a little wet. Mine wasn't. And it takes any shape you want it to. Muffin cups come in mini sizes and will hold items that aren't too saucy. And that's it! My bento inspired by Frogcrafting. Congratulations, Frog, on the 20,000 subs, and I wish you nothing but the best. Thanks so much for watching. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you next time.